We use 360-degree images or video to share with others an important environment, to highlight features of a specific location, or perhaps explain ideas or activities that require the context of a special place. While the Theta camera lets us capture those locations, we now need a place to put those 360-degree photospheres, editing software that lets us make them more meaningful and lets us share them. The STEM T4L project provides pro access to 2 applications for schools that have borrowed the 360-degree camera, either CoSpaces EDU or Situ 360. In this video, we're going to look at how to get your 360-degree still images or video into Situ 360. For schools that have borrowed our kit, teachers can claim their pro account to get access to all the features of Situ. Head to the 360-degree camera kit page in the Learning Library by using the link t4l.link/STEM. Go to the Kit menu, click on 360-degree camera, and scroll down to find the Claim button. Enter your details and click Let's Go. Enter Australia. Choose your school name from the drop-down list. If you believe that your school name should be on this list, but it's not, then contact stem.t4l@det.nsw.edu.au for help. And of course, create a class name. Note on the next screen, your class limit is a max of 35 students and 150 projects. If you teach more than one class, then simply have other teachers in your school also sign up to create the team link that the students need to access the Pro account, and I'll show you where that team link is found in a second. When you get to this welcome message, go to your email and find the confirmation email. It can take a little while to come through, so just be patient if it's not there immediately. Once your account is active, sign in and click on your initials at the top right of the screen. There are some customization options here for your account, but we are interested in the team management option on the left. Click there. This is the link that you should give to your students and how they will create their Situ Pro account. Or you can add their email addresses individually in this box. Now that you're signed in, let's add our first panorama. Click Your Experiences at the top and Create New Experience. Enter a name and some description. Before you upload your 360-degree images, sort the ones that you want to use into a single folder. It will make dragging them into your project much easier. Click on each panorama and name the scene so that you can link them together into a virtual tour using the waypoint function. Click on the waypoint to access options on the left, and then select the scene you want to travel to with this waypoint. To set the first scene that people will see when they click the link you send them, move the scene thumbnail in the project dashboard by left-clicking on it and dragging it up to the first position. When you're ready to share, click the Share and Publish option and then choose your security preferences. To experience your new virtual tour on a mobile device, download the Situ app from the respective app store and scan the QR code or use the alphanumeric code. To learn more about all of the features of Situ, have a look at their skills playlist on their YouTube channel.
This video is part of a series of support videos all about the kit that you have borrowed. To find the other videos in this series, head to the Learning Library and visit the kit page for the equipment you've borrowed. You can also find the full list of support videos for all of our kit on the YouTube channel. You can also join us in the Yammer community. If you have any questions or you'd like to ask teachers how they've used the equipment in their classroom, then why not join us on the STEM T4L Facebook community? It's a closed group. You can ask teachers how they've used the equipment and also share the work samples that your students have created.